Just got done working out, kind of making them gains, you know what I'm saying? And like, check me out. Tri-tip, flank steak. This thing's like this thick, like properly seasoned. Ooh, about to go on the grill. They're sitting out room temperature, right? But yeah, while I'm thinking about grilling on September 11th, like this is a day that changed my life forever. I think the big thing that changed was family for me. Like, I just didn't come home. I was at war. Like, yeah, it's not prison, but you ain't going home either, you know what I mean? And like, it just took its toll, ruined a lot of families, ruined a lot of guys' lives, right? And then look at it now, for what? Leave equipment behind. Anyway, I'm grateful. I was making them gains today. It's killer season. Gotta win them worlds. I'm gonna smoke these suckers right here, right? So, hey, if you're out there, cups up on this September 11th. Let's not forget, but let's not ruin our day. You know what I mean? Cups up. Let's go, people. Let's get this steak. Oh, I'll show you when it's done.